a Catholic and he's a Hindu. He has never given scope to never given me a chance to feel that I am, sort of belonging to the minority or something. No, he's never given. I would also give him credit to taking up, for example, who are the major aggrieved people with this Portuguese passport issue are primarily the Catholics, minority. He has taken up the issue in right earnest, and I am confident he will come out with a solution. He will definitely work out a solution with the Government of India. He's had meetings. I was present for a meeting. After that, he has had a meeting with the Home Minister. So he is aware, he is conscious of the issue, and it is his wish to resolve the issue. I am telling you, we are going to get a majority. What more you want me to tell you?
Majority
in Salsette. We will get a majority. Why should you believe that we are not going to get a majority? I have given you an example of assembly elections.